We're gonna light the fireworks now. Oh. Oh, and that's it. As boring as that. That's all.
There.
That's nice, look. You can see it properly.
Wait until it's midnight.
Ik denk ik ga naar de ik ga op de zolder.
Yeah, I will light this first.
Voor de prettige view van de vuurwerk. Oh, they had a really nice firework there. But it's too far. Later. There's another one. I don't know if this one works. Oh. And only that. I told you can hold it because it's like just like that. Give it to me, the other one, and I will do like this. It's a torch. Nee, de andere kant.
Are you sure? Oh, yeah.
You light it. And if I will burn my hands,
Thingy.
then
Suck it. Ow. I burned my finger. Oh, shit.
boom, boom, boom. Expecto Patronum! Aloha! Expecto Patronum! Expecto Patronum! Expecto Patronum! Expect... No more!
Another one?
Dag!